Hello everyone, it is currently this time at this day, and this is Motomoto, and use code Rust010. Was it 101? I don't know. I don't know all my myths. I don't know. I don't have enough time to focus on myths. Well, that's loud. I'm not gonna make it any quieter for you guys, so suffer with me. Feel my pain. Yeah. Touch it. Touch it. I wanna die. I don't wanna die. So, when I'm trying to die, I'm like, okay, yeah. But I'm not trying to die. I'm like, no! My voice sounds weird with this. I sound like a robot in my ears. Beep boop bop beep bop. Hello. Oh my god. Why am I so weird? No, my robot voice. As you can see that. Um, okay, wow. The first one. Uh, uh, uh. No, I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm doing. Sign up? I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, let's just go back real quick and grades. Just. Okay, so. Don't wait. Well, okay. I just have my back fixed so you guys won't hear me go nom 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 nom. So, okay. So I'm gonna look at this. Dream 2. So I have to see how many there are. So Stream 2. This is how many there are. I think they tried saying 4. Okay. Stream 1, Stream 2, Stream in. But it's Stream 3. It's Stream 4, Stream 7, Stream 1, Stream 2, Stream 3, Stream 4, Stream 5, Stream 6, Stream 7, Stream 8, Stream 9, Stream 10, Stream whichever one this one is. So, so I guess I'm gonna have to be Stream 12. Okay. Stream. Okay. 12.
12.
Perfect. don't know. Okay, so they just choose. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. No. No, wrong one. Oh, crap. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That just makes me so... Stream 13. Please say there's no other streams. No. Stream 19. Oh, please. I can do it. 20. 20. Ooh. 100. Okay. Okay, so I just want to see phone guy. Meme phone guy. Phone guy. Please say this works. Oh my god, this has to work. Zero. 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 Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Okay, so I'm gonna just make myself a girl stream. Okay. Children, avert the eyes. Avert the eyes, children. Only if I could edit something in. No news. Oh, only if I could get that. Only if I could get that. No. Body. Okay. I'm like, okay. About put login. Do, 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 do. So I only had one friend, stream 2, and so like, that was stream 1. Okay. Let's see what colors I used up. Let me log in, sweetheart. Let's just check real quick. I don't think there's any pink. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh. It's a hard enough life for us. It's a hard enough life for us. Na 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 na. Wait. Okay, that's good. They don't have the Roblox side because they did have like bits. What? It's a hard enough life for us. It's a hard enough life for us. Na 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 na. It's a hard enough life for us. It's a hard enough life for us. Na 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 na. It's a hard enough life for us. It's a hard enough life for us. Na 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 na. So they're all like that. So get this. Is avatar okay? Please don't change anything on me. Please. I think you gotta have a little bit of a problem, ma'am. Okay, there he goes. I look great. So, my name is Stream 200.
Okay, guys, no time to explain. Oh, God. Oh.
No, what is... Yay! I just weird. You know how, like, when you're, like, really mad at someone and you're just like... Yeah, that's how I feel sometimes. Enjoy the sound of this flipping noise for the rest of your life. Oh, it's a good fly! Oh...